So how to install Principal mobile app? So just tap to get and then you will be able to install it. This app has like a huge amount of ratings, over 100,000 ratings. Log in to the app for retirement account information and check your defined contribution account details, your defined benefit, non-qualified and employee stock ownership plan details. Change the contribution rate to your retirement account. Make transfers between investment options, change how your current contribution invested. Use the status of a loan and loan details. Gain access to insurance information. So yeah, that's basically, if you're a customer of this bank, just give a try to the app. It's quite convenient to use it on the phone. And then you just can log in with your account. If you want to create an account, you'll just be redirected to this kind of website. And then if you want to create individual account, let's see, and then yeah, you can actually try to do it from here. Just need to enter your privacy or alternate ID provided by employer. You can try social security number as well, and then just reach out if you have so many questions to the support. Yeah,